Here I've got Qilive 5039D, and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick the first tab, which is network and connections, and then click on hotspot and tethering. Click on mobile hotspot, and if you'd like to share network with other devices, just click on the switcher. And click on OK to confirm that you would like to activate mobile hotspot, and that's it. Now you can share network with other devices. Here you can locate the sign of mobile hotspot. If you would like to switch it off, just click on the same icon one more time. Then you can also change the network name and also the password. All you have to do is to click on Setup Mobile Hotspot, and by network name, smoothly delete the current one and enter a new one. And then if you will go to the password, click on Show Password to see what your current password is, delete it, and enter a new one. Just remember that the password must have at least 8 characters, and then click on Save. And that's it. You've just updated mobile hotspot details like network name and the password. And that will be actually all. So you can activate, deactivate and personalize Wi-Fi hotspot in your Qilive, but you can also have a quick access to the hotspot through the upper bar. Smoothly slide it down, locate hotspot icon, it's right here, click on it, and now, just within a couple of seconds, as you can see now it's active, you can share network with other devices. To switch off this mode, this Wi-Fi hotspot, tap on it one more time, and this is it. So that will be all. This is how you can use portable hotspot in your Qilive. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.